Many data science course creators promise free classes or super cheap courses. I've taken some of them and they're great for a quick overview, but you'll want to take them on your own time because the pace is usually too fast for newbies. Most courses will be in video format with no interaction from teachers. If you learn best by doing, there's little value here. You can't get much practice on your own without paying or learning at a school that has hands-on labs and experienced instructors. Even then, it might not be enough to make up for lack of experience. Most data science course creators give you the impression that becoming employable is possible through their curriculum alone. This isn't true. Data science skills are like programming languages, they change rapidly as tools improve, techniques become more common, and we all come across things we don't know how to do yet. The reality is that learning the tools and knowledge doesn't take the place of experience and being able to work autonomously. It's easy to read a book or watch a video about coding, but it takes many years before you can write code efficiently. Likewise, data science requires experience and autonomy on top of many other skills like communication. Most online courses and classes are not rigorous enough to offer sufficient practical experience. They also often fail to show students how to communicate complex ideas to others. People with strong communication skills are better equipped to start a career in data science, but anyone can learn this skill with the right mindset. By now you should realize that becoming a data scientist requires both technical skills and soft skills. In fact, it's almost impossible to become a data scientist without developing both hard and soft skills. Data scientists need to understand advanced math concepts, computer science, probability theory, statistics, machine learning, information retrieval, and database management. There's not a single boot camp or online course that will teach you everything, so it's important to develop a plan that includes project work, case studies, working with a mentor, and building an online portfolio of measurable work. Subscribe and join our data science Discord community for more.